TradingView versus Trendspider. Today we are going to demonstrate the difference between TradingView and Trendspider, which one is better platform. So for that, I have this small table which will demonstrate the difference. So the first thing is TradingView starts from $15 per month with extra charges for real-time data, while Trendspider start from $40 per month with real-time data included, except for futures. If we talk about TradingView, you can add up to 8 charts per layout. With the Trendspider, you can add up to 16. If we talk about TradingView, you can add up to 25 indicators, while Trendspider allows you unlimited indicators per job. You can build over 100 in indicator build plus thousands of customer indicators created by the community. You can use these things in the TradingView, while if you talk about over 190 builds in indicators by Trendspider. So that's pretty much it. That's what it does difference. Hope you guys find this video helpful.